Hey, is anyone else feeling the sting of inflation this Christmas season? I'm Jesse Morrison, real estate agent here in San Diego, and we've got 5 ways that you can boost your holiday budget by trimming household expenses. If you watch and enjoy this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, of course, just drop a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more San Diego real estate advice, news, and housing market updates. Now, on to the tips. Number 1, hunt for deals on groceries. Guys, if you're anything like me, we got 3 kids at home, and they're eating us out of house and hold. So now is more important than ever to start looking for deals when it comes to feeding the family. A couple ways that we like to do that is buy things that are in season. Another thing is just foregoing the name brands and going with like Target's brand or Aldi's brand or Costco's brand of the same food product but under a different label. Number 2, prepare your home for the holiday guests with pre-owned finds. Guys, in case you don't know, thrifting is actually now back in style. And you can find great deals on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, places like that. Number 3, you can forego major renovations in favor of DIY home improvements. One good example of a DIY project that would be a good idea for this kind of season is a DIY fire pit where everybody can gather together and just enjoy the cooler evenings around a fire. And then of course you can string some LED lights from Costco for like $50 and you'll have a great ambiance for your guests and for family. Number 4, invest in home maintenance projects that cut your utility bills. One of the things that we did last year was we invested into a whole house fan for our house here that I'm sitting and making this video in. It was great because we did it during the winter months, which is the off season, which allowed us to get a better deal on the cost of material as well as the cost of labor. And then when it came to summertime, our utility bills were actually lower, which allows us to save money year after year after year from here on out, which if you know anything about me, I love to do. And finally, 5, use expense tracking to boost your holiday budget. Create a household budget worksheet, okay? And a way of doing that is just label all the typical expenses that your family goes through, and then make some adjustments. And then when you do the math on that, you can see exactly how much you're gonna save from here on out. Hey guys, I hope you find these strategies helpful, and thanks so much for watching. For more ways to stretch your household budget in the season of inflation, click on the link in the description below. And if you're looking for lower cost options on home maintenance or services, just reach out anytime for recommendations or referrals. And in the meantime, all of us here at the Jesse Morrison Group want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a happy and joyous New Year.